This is Ian from Lean Media. I'm an experienced independent book publisher. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel a new purchase order for books in Amazon Vendor Central. Let's get started. So this is the Amazon Vendor Central homepage. When you come here, you'll see a button here for a new purchase order that says Confirm Purchase Order. So click that first. And then you'll see the list of open purchase orders. So I have one of them that I want to keep, and the other one I want to cancel. The one I want to cancel, as you may suspect, is this one. You can see there's only one book that's being ordered. So this will basically, if I ship this in, I'll be losing money on it because the cost of shipping it in, the box to send it in, all that stuff is just way more than any profit I could realize on that. So I'm going to cancel it. I'm just going to click on it. And when you come to one of these, purchase orders, you don't really see much information about canceling anything. But the way that it works is you have to click the Update all items button. Then you select it, and then where it says expected quantity, highlight that and change the number from whatever it is, in this case it's 1 to 0, and then click submit. And what's going to happen is the purchase order will basically be registered as Amazon as you're not sending anything in, so it will be regarded as canceled. I've been doing this for many years, not only with Amazon Vendor Central, but with Amazon Advantage before this, and this is how it works. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.